Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Anki to study for the Mcat. Anki is a powerful flashcard program that leverages spaced repetition, a highly effective learning technique. This method helps you remember vast amounts of information by showing you cards just before you're about to forget them. We'll cover setting up your decks, creating effective flashcards, and integrating Anki into your daily study routine to maximize your Mcat preparation. Creating effective flashcards is crucial for Mcat success. Each card should test a single, specific concept. For instance, instead of a broad question, ask about a particular enzyme's function or a specific reaction step. Utilize closed deletions for fill-in-the-blank questions, which are excellent for active recall. Adding relevant images or diagrams can also significantly boost your memory retention, making your study sessions more engaging and productive. Integrating Anki seamlessly into your Mcat study plan is key. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of daily Anki reviews, ideally at the start of your study session. This ensures you tackle your reviews consistently. While pre-made Mcat decks can provide a solid foundation, always customize them or create your own to align with your specific learning needs and content gaps. Remember, Anki is a powerful tool, but it works best when combined with practice problems and comprehensive content review. To further optimize your Anki experience for the Mcat, consider some advanced strategies. Experiment with your Anki settings, particularly the learning and graduating intervals, to find what works best for your retention. Explore various add-ons that can enhance functionality, such as heat maps for tracking consistency or image occlusion for complex diagrams. Don't hesitate to suspend cards you've confidently mastered or those less relevant to your specific Mcat content, saving valuable study time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.